Hi, I'm Jason Wolf with ECHO Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install a 90175Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this CS352 chainsaw. Before we get started, we'll just make sure that we have safety glasses, the tune-up kit, a piece of wire that we can form into the shape of a hook for pulling out the fuel filter from inside the fuel tank, and a 19mm spark plug wrench. Before we remove the top cover, we want to go ahead and make sure the choke is pulled out. We want to ensure the stop switch is in the stop or off position. Then we'll also engage a chain brake by pushing the chain brake handle forward towards the bar and chain until it clicks. To gain access to the air filter and the spark plug, we have two clips on the side here that we'll just loosen and move off to the side. And then we can pull the top cover off. Here's our air filter, here's our spark plug. We'll remove the spark plug boot just by pulling on it. We'll use our 19mm spark plug wrench to remove the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction. We'll install the spark plug from the kit. We'll get it started with our fingers first just to engage the threads. Then we'll tighten fully into the cylinder with the 19mm spark plug wrench in a clockwise direction. Once the spark plug is tight, we can go ahead and reattach the spark plug boot onto the top of the spark plug. To replace the air filter, we'll just grab the air filter body, rotate it counterclockwise a quarter of a turn, lift straight out. And then when we install the new one, there's just these little legs that have to hook around the tabs of the air filter cleaner base. So we'll start by just positioning it right on there and then rotating clockwise a quarter of a turn until it clicks into place. Now we have the new spark plug and air filter installed onto the chainsaw. We'll go ahead and reinstall the top cover. And then lock into place with the side tabs. To gain access to the fuel filter, we'll loosen the fuel cap. We'll pull the fuel cap tether out of the tank. Then using our piece of wire that we formed into the shape of a hook, we'll reach into the fuel tank, grab a hold of that fuel line. We'll pull the fuel filter out of the opening. Now there is a little clip here that we want to make sure this clip helps secure the fuel line onto the end of the fuel filter. So holding that in place, we'll disconnect the old fuel filter. And then reinstall the new fuel filter, making sure the fuel line clip is securely attached. We'll go ahead and reinstall a fuel filter back into the fuel tank, and then reinstall the fuel tank tether and tighten the fuel cap. This concludes the installation of the 90175Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit onto the CS352 chainsaw. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check back for additional YouCan installation videos.